Welcome to another video. I'm Terry. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and do a real simple hairstyle, easy for work or school. I'm starting off with kind of freshly washed hair. My hair was washed like the day before, but I had to like add some gel in my hair. So if you guys see some little white spots, that's what it is. But my hair, for the most part, is clean. So anyways, I just went ahead and detangled my hair a bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and section the front part of my hair out. I'll be working on the front part of my hair where I'm gonna like part my hair in a diagonal. I'll have 4 sections and I'm just gonna go ahead and part that out and kind of pre-twist them just to have them out of the way and map out how I would want my hair to be parted out. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side of my head. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with my Let's Jam, and this is the extra hold, like 3 times extra hold, and I'm gonna go ahead and base my hair so that when I part my hair again it will be super neat. We'll have sharp partings, and also when I cornrow my hair won't be as fuzzy, and you know, the style will last longer when you use like a thick styling product like jam. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cornrow my hair going back. So right next to my ear I'm doing cornrows, and at the top of my head I'll be doing flat twists. I just decided to like kind of change things up just a little bit. Instead of doing full cornrows, I just said let me mix cornrows with flat twists and see how it would look, and I like the way that it looks, so that's what I will be doing. So I'm just gonna cornrow my hair going back. Then I'm moving to my next section. I'm just gonna detangle my hair once more and base with my jam. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my parting so that it can be sharp and nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a flat twist. I always start off by like separating the very front part off, and then I just start twisting and I keep that as flat as possible towards my head as I can, and I just do that going backwards, and then I secure with a rubber band. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the very same thing on the other side of my head, so you guys can go ahead and watch that so you can see clearly what I am doing. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like so far. And then now I'm just gonna go in with my Yaman hair. You guys have seen me use this hair like a lot. I really like using this hair. I'm just gonna add a rubber band to the hair so that I can secure it to my hair when I'm ready. I did go ahead and I twisted that hair up so that so that I can add it onto my little ponytail. So for my hair, I'm gonna smooth in some eco styling gel. I didn't show that, but I'm using some jam with eco gel towards the back of my head, and then I'll use my brush and I will just smooth that in. Now I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'll be putting my hair in a high ponytail. I'm gonna twist my hair up because this is a protective styling, so I don't really want my hair out and about, and it will make the hairstyle look neat when you're adding on your hair extension. So I'm gonna wrap that around, secure it into place, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fashion Plus 3 hair wax and wax. The name of this thing is so long, guys, but just know okay, I'm gonna call it Fashion 3. I'm going in with the Fashion 3. Okay, I'm just gonna work on my edges first, and then I'm gonna like tie it down with a satin scarf after I'm done swooping my edges in the direction that I want it to go. So after a couple of minutes, I decided to take my headscarf off, and that's what my edges are looking like. So now it's time to attach the extension to my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and just position it how I want to, and then I'll go ahead and wrap it into a bun. Ensuring to secure it while I wrap so that it doesn't unravel, and then I will further secure this with some hairpins. So I'm just taking my hairpins and I'm gonna put them like diagonal each other, one towards the front, one towards the back, and two to each side, so that if anyone bunks your hair or whatever, you know it won't fall off. And I decided to add some hair accessories to my hair, you know, those little clip-on beads. I just added those to cover the rubber bands on my hair. And this is the final result, you guys. This is a super easy hairstyle for work or school. Very quick and easy. Hope you guys liked it. I also wanted to show off my shirt. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.